You don't notice it happening. Every time you let someone else think for you. Every time you ask a machine what to believe. Every time you stop struggling to find your own answer. Your brain quietly gives away one more piece of its independence. The greatest threat of artificial intelligence isn't unemployment. It's cognitive dependence. History has always rewarded people who could think independently. Inventors, scientists, philosophers, leaders. Their greatest advantage wasn't access to information. It was their ability to question it. To sit with uncertainty. To wrestle with difficult problems until an original thought emerged. That process was never comfortable. Thinking has always been expensive. It demands patience, attention, curiosity, and the willingness to be wrong. Artificial intelligence changes that equation. For the first time in history, answers arrive before questions fully form. Need an opinion? Ask AI. Need an idea? Ask AI. Need a plan? Ask AI. Need a summary? Ask AI. Within seconds, the struggle disappears. The problem is that struggle is where thinking is born. Your brain grows through effort, not through convenience. Every difficult question forces your mind to build new connections, to compare ideas, to test assumptions, to recognize contradictions. This mental effort strengthens judgment. Remove the effort, and you slowly weaken the ability itself. Think about calculators. They made arithmetic easier. GPS made navigation easier. Search engines made information easier to find. Artificial intelligence is different. It doesn't simply help you calculate. It helps you think, or at least, it appears to. And that difference matters, because thinking is not the same as receiving answers. Real thinking is slow, messy, uncertain, sometimes frustrating. You change your mind, you discover flaws, you abandon bad ideas, then rebuild them stronger. None of that happens when every answer arrives instantly. Your mind becomes efficient, but less independent. Modern life already encourages passive thinking. Algorithms decide what you see. Feeds decide what deserves attention. Recommendations decide what you watch. Now AI can decide what you should write, what you should say, even what you should believe. Little by little, decision-making moves away from you. Not because someone forced you. Because convenience is seductive. The human brain naturally seeks efficiency. It wants the easiest solution, the quickest answer, the shortest path. Artificial intelligence offers exactly that. And that's why cognitive dependence develops so quietly. Not through control, through comfort. The danger isn't using AI. The danger is forgetting how to think without it. Imagine asking AI every important question, every career decision, every creative problem, every difficult conversation. Eventually something changes. You stop exploring possibilities yourself. You stop challenging your own assumptions. You stop trusting your own judgment. Not because you're incapable, because you've stopped practicing. Thinking is a skill. Skills disappear when they're no longer used. This isn't an argument against technology. It's an argument for protecting one ability that technology cannot replace. Independent judgment. Artificial intelligence can organize information. It can recognize patterns. It can generate ideas. But it cannot replace your values, your experiences, your intuition, your responsibility. The final decision will always belong to you. Or at least, it should. The strongest minds of the future won't be the people who reject AI. They'll be the people who know when to stop listening to it. Who still ask difficult questions. Who still tolerate uncertainty. Who still spend time thinking without immediate answers. Because originality cannot exist without independent thought. Wisdom cannot exist without reflection. And character cannot exist without making your own decisions. The future won't belong to those who receive the fastest answers. It will belong to those who still know how to ask the right questions. Because the moment you stop thinking for yourself, you stop becoming yourself.